study God's Word. So, ang didakin natin today is authoritative teacher. So, ang Bible verse niya is from Mark 1 verse 22. The people who heard him was amazed at the way he taught, for he wasn't like a teacher of the law. Instead, he taught with authority. So, ang writer natin today is si Michelle Alignay, one of the psychologists at FACE PICC. She also is a book author. So, yung story niya today is about parenting styles. So, dalawa daw yung parenting styles. Yung authoritative, so they have high expectations for achievement and maturity, yet warm and responsive sila. Yung isa naman, authoritarian. They are stern discipline and control, with stern discipline and control, but lack nurturance, unresponsive to children's needs or child's needs. So, sabi ni Sis Michelle, this is also applicable sa teachers and leaders, just like Jesus stands, no? His authority exhibited knowledge and wisdom, integrity in word and action, divinity with humanness, and was awe-inspiring, with warm and compassionate. He's also respectable, knowledgeable, yet relatable. So, tayo daw, we may have the honorable titles like doctor, attorney, and PhD, doctorate, no? But sabi niya, authority does not come from the letters after our name, but for the lives we live when we are out of no one is watching, and unfiltered ways we love, and undocumented means we serve God's people. Friend, hindi lang yung achievement natin is by the diploma that we handle or the course that we graduated, no? But on how we serve the people around us or yung mga in-entrust ni Lord sa atin. So, ang reflection natin today is what kind of authority do we exhibit? Is it control or do we teach and nurture? So, yun yung challenge ni Lord sa atin. Are we there to serve, or are we there for the authority that was vested to us by society, our parents, our school, or our corporation? Jesus, may we live and love with the authority you have. Stay safe, everyone. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.